Good evening. This is Deacon Merriweather coming from Milwaukee, Wisconsin via Hell is Too Hot, Mississippi. I just want to give a shout out to my family down there. I miss y'all because it's cold than a mother up here and it's snowing. I ain't used to this snow, but I love my family here. Special shout out to that brother, which is my nephew, Mr. Terrence Slaughter. Also his mama, my sister, Rosemary Slaughter. We got a nice family over here. And like I said before, we ate some pig today. But I ain't gonna talk about the pig right now. We're gonna talk about the word of Jesus Christ. Now, remember, we need the Holy Bible. This is the Bible right here, okay? I know you can read, but make sure it say Holy Bible. And don't get them little small Bibles that's only like this big and it's only got like 200 pages in them. You don't want one of them Bibles. You want a big, nice Bible like this. And if you can't see, make sure you get something where you can read the words. Now, let's go into the word for today. All right. Oh, Lord, we going over here. We in the New Testament. We got 2 Peter, chapter 2. All right. Verse 1. And we're going to go ahead and read from the King James Version. That is the authentic version. Ain't nothing like the King James Version. I appreciate King James and them. He a cool brother to make his own version of the Bible. Now, but there were false prophets also among the people, even as there shall be false teachers among you, who privily shall bring in damnable, I ain't cursed, heresies, even denying the Lord that brought them in, bring upon themselves swift destruction. All right. And then it say, and many shall follow that pernicious way, by reason of whom the way of truth shall be evil spoken of. And though covetousness shall they with form words make merchandise of you, whose judgments now of a long time lingereth not, and them damnation slumbereth not. All right. The first verse in this chapter it says, but there was false prophets. I need my handkerchief. Oh, I got a t-shirt again. That's all right. Okay. But there were false prophets. All right. Also among the people, even as there shall be false teachers. Now, you trying to figure out what that means. They have some terrible teachers up in these schools, okay? They have some teachers that was proclaimed to be teachers, and they were just false. Yeah, zoom in on me. Thank you. They were false teachers, okay? They ain't know what they were trying to do. They were trying to teach our kids 2 + 2 = 5. What is that? What is that? They were trying to teach our kids 5 × 5 = 27. These are false teachers. All right? And they say it up in the Bible. Get away from them false teachers. Make sure you find a teacher that want to teach your child. All right. You don't need to be with no teacher that ain't telling you what's the right and wrong thing. They tell you the wrong thing that's supposed to be right, so they false. All right. Next, even denying the Lord that brought them and bring upon themselves swift destruction. The Lord know who the false teachers are. They know who they are. He knows who they are. They were who they thought they were. False teachers. He brought destruction to them, trying to teach your child that I is going to the store. What is that? That's a false teacher. All right. Yeah, I'm getting mad. All these false teachers right here. How much time I got? Oh, Lord. 3-minute word. Let me go close with this. Make sure you figure out what school your child go to. All right. This is another word for you today. You need to thank you, word. I appreciate you so much. You really need to know what your child is doing, okay? Don't get them false teachers, okay? And then some of them false teachers turn into false prophets. Now, this is a good word for you today. I hope you use it. Hope you utilize it. You pray in your car. You just pray and you just pray. All right? You got to pray just to make it today. Some old brown-skinned guy with big glasses had that. All right. Have a good one.